Hello again, my fellow pilots and my fellow aircraft maintenance personnel. Your host is always Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Welcome to my aviation nuggets for today. An open-ended tube parallel to the longitudinal axis of the aircraft is used to sense the total pressure, static plus dynamic. What is the name of this pressure port, or what is the name of this component? It is the Pitot probe or Pitot sensor. It is located on the fuselage or on the wing. It is parallel to the longitudinal axis of the aircraft. It senses the total air pressure, static plus dynamic. Okay, static plus dynamic. Okay. Which instrument inside the cockpit need data or need pressure line from the Pitot? Is it the altimeter? Is it the vertical speed indicator? Or is it the airspeed indicator? It is the airspeed indicator. Also the machmeter need pressure line from the Pitot probe. Pressure equal half rho V squared S multiply CL. So dynamic pressure related to velocity. Okay, everybody? And we can say that the airspeed indicator is a dynamic pressure instrument calibrated to show us indicated airspeed. Okay, everybody? Okay, so the airspeed indicator is a dynamic pressure instrument calibrated to show us indicated airspeed. So in order to give the instrument the dynamic pressure, we cannot measure the dynamic pressure directly, but we can measure total pressure when we have the airstream coming to rest. So this pressure is at the stagnation point, is the total pressure, dynamic plus static. Okay, everybody? Dynamic plus static. So when we give the airspeed indicator, the total pressure from the Pitot and the static pressure from the static board, so we can have the dynamic pressure. The airspeed indicator can have the dynamic pressure. So it can indicate the airspeed. Okay, everybody? So the Pitot is an open-ended tube parallel to the longitudinal axis of the aircraft, is used to sense the total pressure, static plus dynamic. And this device is a Pitot tube mounted in a Pitot head. Is the Pitot tube need to be electrically heated? Yes. Is the Pitot tube need to drain hole, or a drain hole must be installed on the Pitot tube? Yes, to drain water from it. This is to prevent water accumulation and ice accumulation and prevent Pitot tube blockage. Okay, so what else about the Pitot tube? The open end of the tube faces into the moving airstream. When it comes to rest inside the Pitot head, so it is a total pressure, dynamic plus static. The other end leading to the airspeed capsules in the airspeed indicator and the machmeter. Okay, so pressure line from the Pitot probe go to airspeed indicator and the machmeter. These are the only two instruments inside the cockpit that need Pitot pressure. The altimeter and the vertical speed indicator also a pressure instrument, but they are only static only pressure instrument. Okay, so what the Pitot do, everybody? The moving airstream is thus brought to rest in the tube. Total pressure measured by the Pitot tube. So generating the extra dynamic pressure, which together with the static pressure already in the tube provides the required total Pitot pressure. So Pitot tube is a total pressure tube. Supply the air speed indicator and the machmeter. Air speed indicator and the machmeter. Thank you always for your good listening. And always fly safely and maintain your aircraft very safely. And please stay tuned for an upcoming sessions like this. From Cairo, Egypt, your host was Haytham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Thank you and goodbye.